Hello children, good morning. This is Veena ma'am's class. Today we will discuss about national income, concept and measurement. First we will discuss here meaning of national income. National income is the money value of all the final goods and services produced by a country during a period of 1 year. National income consists of a collection of different type of goods and services. Now, you can say it is a national concept. It is a national concept. It includes the value of final goods and services produced in the entire world. It consists all producers who are normal residents of the country. It includes net factor income from abroad. You can take an example here. If the value of a meter of cloth is rupees 20 and the total cloth produced in 100 meters, then the money value of cloth is rupees 2000. In this way, we can find out the value of other goods and services and the total value of all goods and services produced during 1 year. With the help of this, you can understand the meaning of national income. Now come to the next basic concepts of national income and basic concepts in national income. Gross domestic product, gross domestic GDPs. Gross means total. Total goods and services produced within the domestic territory or within the country. Net domestic product, we will discuss later how to calculate that. Gross national product and net national product. Children, you can see here there is a difference of G and N. What is the difference G and N? Gross means total. Net means when we minus depreciation from gross, it will become net. What is the difference between GDP, gross domestic product, and gross national product? Gross domestic product means goods and services produced within the country or within the domestic territory. Gross national product means कि gross domestic product plus net factor income from abroad, it will become gross national income. How you will calculate or how you will change gross domestic product in gross national income? If the gross domestic product is given there, how to calculate gross national product? So you will calculate GDP plus net factor income from abroad, it will become gross national product. We have already discussed about that national product means a entire word. We are talking about entire word, and gross domestic we are talking about within the country or domestic territory. Now next is we will discuss here what is gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the money value of all final goods and services produced in the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year. Now there is a concept of gross domestic product at current price. GDP, gross domestic product, can be estimated at current price and at a constant price. If the domestic product is estimated on the basis of prevailing price, it is called gross domestic product at current price. Current price means present year. If the GDP is calculating by present price, that is called current price. Now gross domestic product at constant price means कि if GDP is measured on the basis of some fixed price or constant price, that is price prevailing at the point of time or in some base year, it is known as GDP at constant price or real gross domestic product. What is the concept of constant and current? You can say constant price means real GDP. Current price means nominal GDP. You can say constant price means base year or fixed price. Current year means present price. So this This is the concept of current price and constant price. Gross domestic product. Domestic territory means territory lying within the political frontier, including territorial water of the country. Ships and aircrafts operated by the residents of a country between two or more country. Now there is a concept of net domestic product. We have already discussed gross, now net. A part of is therefore set aside in the form of depreciation allowance. When depreciation allowance is subtracted from gross domestic product, we get net domestic. Children, you can easily learn this formula how to calculate NDP. NDP means net domestic product. GDP means gross domestic product. When you will minus depreciation from GDP, it will become NDP, net domestic product. And how to change NDP in GDP? So what you will include? NDP plus depreciation, it will become GDP. This way you can easily understand. Methods of measuring national income, there are three alternative ways. Census method, or you can say production method, or you can say value added method. Next is income method, expenditure method. Added to this, there is yet another method estimating national income is value added method.